Welcome to my video Make Money with a Private Label Rights, Selling Ebooks and Rebranding PLR Products. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In the description below this video, I have a link for you to get over 1,000 digital products that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profit. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online. Okay, let's get started. Private label rights offer you so many opportunities to generate a solid income, and that's certainly true with the PLR ebooks. It takes time to create an ebook, and if you must hire someone to write the book, you incur significant cost. When done correctly, you can turn your PLR ebook investment into significant profits for your website. The key is to not be selling the same exact ebook as hundreds of other sites. So what do you do? Glad you asked. Those marketers that are successful with the PLR ebooks purchase products that have a license that allows for the copy to be rewritten. Before you part with your money, it's important to know what your PLR purchase allows you to do and what it forbids you to do. The PLR ebook license will outline what you are entitled to do. For example, you may or may not be able to claim authorship or whether or not you own the copyright. Watch out for those sites that boast you'll be able to do anything you want once you purchase the PLR product. This is not true. There are certainly some PLR ebooks that offer full rights to the ebook, but you can't assume that's the way it is, since just as many times it is not. Another attribute that successful marketers look for in a PLR ebook is called limited distribution, which means the book is not distributed in high numbers. The provider will usually tell you. For example, limited distribution of 300. When you compare this to an open distribution where thousands of the same book might be for sale, you can see how it could help to improve your success in the selling of the book. You will want to make some changes to the sales copy and some of the graphics so that you aren't competing on just price, which can be extremely difficult. When you have completed the ebook edits, it's time to purchase a domain where you will sell your new product with its unique flavor. Once you eliminate your competition, your potential is only limited by how well you market your site, how well you search engine optimize, your call to action, and your price point. You can enjoy significant earnings along with residual earnings for many years to come. In recent years, private label rights ebooks and other products have become very popular because of the simplicity associated with growing a profitable business. So if you've been thinking about new business opportunities, why not start with a PLR ebook? Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch my other videos. Click on the link in the description below to get over 1,000 digital products, all with master resell rights. Also hit the Show More button below to get free training on how to create a six-figure income online.